Peace and blessings, my brother. This is a quick video on the orb open range breakout. Basically, what you have is I have it set to a predetermined time between 9 a.m. to 9:30. So it starts tracking between 9 and 9:30, and it's going to create this box. That is the 9 to 9:30 opening range. And your levels above are TP1, first target, take profit 2, and take profit 3 if price action should make it out of the box. So basically what we're looking for inside of that box is the no-fly zone. You're looking for a breakout of that box to TP1, 2, or 3. Okay? As long as it's inside of that box, it's the no-fly zone. We want to wait till it comes out of that box. All right? It's really nothing complicated. It's an indicator on TradingView. You go to our indicators and you look for open range breakout. Okay? Open range breakout. Let me see. Right there. And it's by an author called Syntax Geek. Syntax Geek. You put a star by it, load it on your platform, and once you go and load it, you go to the settings tab, input, and the opening range that we're using is from 9 a.m. to 9:30. Okay. I have the high, the low, took the mid high off. I have just the mid, and there's your TP3, 2, and 1. You could color code them for the top and for the bottom. And by default, you're going to have your labels on. You could take those guys off, uncheck it, and say okay. And that is your orb for TradingView. All right, peace, my brother. If you have any other questions, reach out like you did, and I see if I can help. All right, peace and blessings. This is Master B.